So this is version 2 of my Gameboy RGB LED kit. I'm going to show you the user interface first because it's actually a lot easier to use. So primarily you can go through the different modes by holding select and pressing left or right. So if I want to quickly adjust the brightness, I can hold select and press right. Now I can freely press left and right to adjust the brightness, turn the LEDs off if I'd like to, or make them as bright as I want. If we go over one more menu, we're going to be taken to the color selection, and that was just holding select and pressing right again to go deeper into the user interface. So we have a user preset mode, which is fully customizable. You can go through each button and select the color. I'm going to go back. We have a standard rainbow mode. We have a new mode, which is kind of like a fairy light mode. Let me see if I could find it here. Oops. Here it is. And it might be a little difficult to see on the camera, but it flashes between a range of colors. And this is fully adjustable. So if I wanted to make it more red or more blue, you can do that. You can get some really cool combinations. You can also adjust the speed. So if I want this really fast, you can do that, or you can really slow that down. And of course, all these settings are savable. So at the very last menu, when you're adjusting the color mode that you want, you can hold select and press right. It flashes blue, and now your settings are saved. So the next time you power on, it's going to give you that same setting. The power LED is configurable as well. Some people are interested in that and just coloring that, so I can show you what that looks like. So I'm in brightness. Let's go to color. I'm going to go over to the user mode. Now we're going to edit this, and you can see I can adjust the color of the power LED, and we'll go ahead and save that. So that's basically it. I'm working with a company I'm not going to name right now, but we're trying to get this kit out sometime mid-November, late November, so y'all can get your hands on it and add some really cool colors to your Game Boy. Thanks for watching.